So my lyrics been a long time waiting for you, and then you push me away. Painkillers for breakfast, I ain't feeling the day. I'm fucking geeked up, but I tell.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve the peak element problem of GFG. It's really a nice problem and it's an easy problem, but it's a bit tricky. It's really tricky problem where I think a point of Kadan's algorithm is being used. So I will try my best to solve this. Okay, so let's just first talk about problem. Okay. So basically, this is the problem, okay? A peak element in an array is one that is not smaller than its neighbor, okay? A element in an array should not to be small than its neighbor. Basically, we are talking about the maximum element of the array whose neighbor is not small. We can't use sorting algorithm because we have to find the position. We have to find the position, right? So let me help you with the solution. Okay, let me help you with the process. So basically, take an example of 1 2 3 only. 1 2 3. We are given three elements in our array. Okay, we are given three elements in our array, and we have to find the maximum element, the element whose neighbor is smaller than of it. So let's go with one. Let's go with one. Let me change the color. One. So it have neighbor 2, right? It have neighbor 2, but 1 is less than of its neighbor. We need the maximum element. We need the element whose neighbor is smaller. That is the like guardian of that element we need. So over here, this is small, so we can't take this. We go for the 2, we compare with 1. Yeah, it's bigger than of 1. But in the case of but in the case of 3, oh, it's less, right? So we can't take this, we can't take this. Now we're talking about 3. Oh, 3 have neighbor 2, right? So 3 have neighbor 2. Yeah, it have neighbor 2. And is it small? Is it 2 is greater than 3? No, 2 is not greater than 3. So over here we find that 3 is that element which is the peak element of the array. Okay, it is a peak element of the array. So now we have to find the position of 3, right? We have to find the position of 3. So over here in array, the position of let me clear the things. So in the array, the position of 1 is 0, the position of 2 is 1, the position of 3 is 2, right? Because we know that array starts from 0. So now over here we get to know that the position of element 3 is 2. Return return 2, and that would be the answer. So how we solve the problem? So let me take you to the solution, how we solve the problem. Okay, so the solution would be like something like, sorry, the solution would be, see, so basically over here we are applying Kadans algorithm, a bit Kadans algorithm. We're not using the sum. Okay, so we are traversing, see, listen. Okay, so we in the array we have to find the maximum element and its position. We can't go with sorting. You think that I will sort the array and we get the maximum element, but we can't get the position of that. We can change the position we sort, so we can't use sorting. So we have to traverse the whole array until we find the maximum element, and as we find the maximum element, we have to return its position, and that would be the answer, right? So we take three variables. We need two variables. Okay, first variable which would be having the zeroth element. Okay, and second element which will capture the position. Okay, so we compare that zeroth element with first element. If it is bigger, then we just put that variable, we change the variable, and we update the position of that. Again we check, and again, so we are going to need a loop, like it would be big of n time. that's going to be okay. So over here is the solution. I just say that please not copy, but I would try that like you just understand and do by your own. Okay, so basically we taken peak. Okay, it's already, sorry, it's not of need, but it I taken it. Okay, so we take an element. I take a line and red color I love, so take it red color. So we make a variable all best variable means like the variable, last variable we are going to put if everything would be okay, so this position would be that, so we take it as 0. Now we assign the best variable to the first element, and now we are forcing the array from the first element, not from 0th element, from the first element to the last element. So we are comparing sorry, so we are comparing each element of array with that best one. The best one means that 0 1. If it is bigger, then we are assigning we are assigning that value to the best, and we are updating the position, right? This is we are doing, and after that we are returning all best. Got it? So this is the simple algorithm, and I hope you understand it better, right? Thank you.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.